Ever wondered how the car insurance payout process works in the USA? It's a topic that might seem complicated, but it's essential for every car owner to grasp. Imagine you're involved in a fender bender, or worse, a more serious accident. Knowing how the payout process unfolds can help ease your stress and expedite your claim. We'll take you through this intricate process, breaking it down into digestible steps for your understanding. So buckle up as we delve into the step-by-step process of car insurance payout in the USA. First things first, report the incident. When you're involved in a car accident, it's of utmost importance to report the incident immediately. You may ask, why so? Well, it's because this is the first step in initiating the car insurance claim process. Imagine the incident as a puzzle, and each piece of information you provide helps to complete the picture. You're going to want to contact both the police and your insurance company. The police will document the incident and provide an official record, which can be vital when it comes to determining who's at fault. Meanwhile, your insurance company needs to know what happened as soon as possible. This allows them to start their work, assessing the damage and determining the payout. The sooner you report the incident, the sooner they can get to work, and the smoother the process will be. Remember, prompt reporting can make all the difference between a smooth claim process and a bumpy ride. Now, what happens after you've reported the incident? Well, the gears of the insurance company start turning. Their primary role is to investigate the claim thoroughly. An insurance adjuster steps into the scene. This person's job is to assess the damage to your vehicle. They examine every scratch, dent, and broken part, documenting it all. This assessment helps them understand the extent of the damage and the cost to repair or replace your car. Then, they determine who's at fault. This could be you, another driver, or perhaps no one at all, if it's a case of an act of nature like a tree falling on your car. Finally, based on your coverage, they decide on the payout amount. They consider factors like repair costs, car's market value, and the policy's deductibles. Remember, this process isn't instantaneous. The investigation might take some time, but it ensures you get a fair payout. So, you've reported the incident and the investigation is complete. What's next? Well, it's time for the final step of the payout process, receiving the payout. Once the insurance company has assessed the damage and calculated the cost of repairs, they will proceed with the payout. Now, this can happen in one of two ways. Firstly, the insurance company can pay the policyholder directly. This means the money goes straight into your pocket and you can choose how to use it. Alternatively, the insurance company might choose to settle the repair bills directly with the repair shop. This way, you don't have to worry about handling the money or dealing with the repair shop yourself. But remember, depending on your policy, there might be a deductible you have to pay. This is an amount you agreed to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. And there you have it. The payout is in your hands. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about the car insurance payout process. First, promptly report the incident to your insurance company. Next, brace for a thorough investigation by the insurance company to verify the claim. And finally, upon approval, you'll receive your payout. It's a three-step dance: report, investigation, payout. Understanding this process can save you a lot of hassle in the unfortunate event of a car accident. Stay safe on the roads.